43X and a Glock 45. Now this Glock 45 is basically a 19X in all black. So Glock didn't do nothing new, but painted black. But it don't even matter because everybody knows the 19X is the shit. And with this Hollow Sun SCS, man, this thing is nice. Could have went RMR, could have went any other route I wanted to. Felt like the SCS is the way to go for me. Now, when you put it against, you know, your 43X, it's a nice size difference. I do love the way the 45 shoots though. This thing shoots so smooth, so smooth. Even to rack it is so easy. The trigger on it, I don't know if it's what it is, but this trigger is nice. .43X trigger, a little harder, but I mean, it's a nice trigger to me. I know everybody has their opinion on Glock triggers, but it works for me. Now, I like to run the 45 two ways. Got your 17 plus 2. Again, it's basically a 19X in all black. You run your standard 17 round. Now this here, man, just once again, this thing shoots super, super sweet. Anybody interested in Glocks, highly recommend 45. It's a nice piece. And if you want something that's nice and small and holds 15, then you go with Glock 43X. Just a little side-by-side comparison. I know everybody else has their own comparison. I wanted to do mine. Now I like both of these because I can run my Glock 45 no problem and switch over to the 43X, and it's the same platform, you know, same color dot. So that's why I like them. That's why I have this pair, because I can run my 45 one, and then when I want to switch over to the 43, and it's basically the same, just a tiny bit smaller. So there we go.